to my YouTube channel. If you are new here though, hi, my name is Angela. If you can, go ahead and subscribe to my video if you like this type of content. I upload at least 3 times a week with all new content, product reviews, beauty, fashion, mom vlogging, just to name a few. Also, if you haven't already, while you're watching this, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up for me if you like this kind of content. So today we are going to be reviewing Mo Knows Hair. I wanted to start the new year off with a new product, something fresh. Although it came out last year, that's okay. We're not going to talk about that. These are my results from the Mo Knows Hair line, and I only bought a few products, well, 2 to be exact. I bought Mo Knows Hair Curl Primer. This is it right here. And it's a lightweight leave-in treatment. Now let me tell y'all, this stuff right here, I smell like somebody's daddy. It's so strong, like the fragrance. It's not bad, it's just strong. It's like you walk past somebody in church with a lot of cologne on or something like that. And it smells like Axe body spray. Yeah. So that's that. This is being made to just put on before any type of jelly, any type of her curling cream or anything like that. I did not purchase the shampoo and stuff like that. I just wanted to kind of focus on the styling products. And last but not least, I bought the curl smoothing pudding with apricot oil, meadow foam oil, and mango butter. And that is that. And this stuff, it's not really a big smell to it, but as you can see, it still came out really good. Cause honey, I was nervous at first. Now I was nervous, but everything came out good. But I want to go ahead and jump into it and show you guys how I style my hair with these products. So stay tuned. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is freshly washed and it has been deep conditioned. And I feel like I need some more water. That's probably because I use a towel. So my hair did kind of get dry fast. But it's from me not having the microfiber towel. Shame on me, shame on me. Okay, I was just about to say, where's all my clips? So, as you can see, we're starting off this new year with a product review. So although of course this product came out in 2019, I didn't get around to it until like the end of the year. And this is actually being recorded the end of the year, but I wanted to wait till the new year to post it, just to bring in the new year with just some products and some suggestions and everything like that. Okay, sorry about that. We had some technical difficulties with, of course, the children. So as you can see, my hair is like already super dry. I have high porosity hair, so moisture, water escapes this stuff easily. Like so easily. I'd be like, my goodness, where'd it go? And I like my wash and goes pretty wet either way. I really like doing them in the shower. But of course, for the purposes of this video, I'm looking out for y'all. And this water cold. Come on. Okay. So I have the lemon brush as well. I'm really not sure if I'm gonna be using it. I'm kind of just gonna see how the curls look as I'm either raking it through, or I might just do the praying hands method, either one, or the dimming brush. This stuff smells good. So this is, I'm going in with the curl primer. It smells really good, and it says it's a lightweight leave-in treatment. I actually normally don't do spray leave-ins. I normally do like creams. But this is adding a little moisture. I can feel it. A little bit. I can feel a little bit. So just break that through. I can feel it as I'm just working it through my hair. But it smells like a men's cologne. Yeah, that's weird. It smells like somebody daddy, or like it's like really strong too, like some Axe body spray. That's exactly what it smells like. Yep, some Axe body spray. I mean, it's not horrible, but it just smells like a lot of fragrance. Let me look at that ingredient. Yeah, I don't know. It says just fragrance perfume is in here, and it's kind of high up on the totem pole in there. But okay, all right, Mo. All right, keep going. So I'm just going through with the Demon Brush for, of course, detangling purposes to make sure it's fully detangled. So now we're gonna go in with this curl smoothing pudding that I showed you guys earlier. Okay, this really doesn't have like a smell like that. I'm not gonna use that much. Let me see what it says do. Okay, it don't say what to do. It don't say how much to use or anything like that, so I'm guessing it doesn't matter. So right now I got this much. I'll go in with more if needed. It's not too thick either. And it doesn't smell like nothing. I guess that's why all that curl primer got all that smell in it, because this one don't smell like nothing. So they're like, we're gonna make it up through the curl primer. Okay, it feels like I barely put anything on my hair. I don't want to overpack it with products. I really wish I would have bought the like the jelly as well. I wasn't sure if it was like a lightweight jelly or if it was really heavy. And you know, for the winter and fall months, I've just been trying to really stay away from the gels, just to not dry my hair out with this dye. That was honestly the only reason I didn't get it. And now I'm just like, man, I actually should have got it. I mean, I also said I was gonna stay away from wash and goes too, but it's like, I feel like you can really tell how a product is gonna do with a wash and go. I feel like with a twist out, most products will come out the same. Okay, so with this, I mean, these are my curls. I mean, my curls look nice. Let me see if I can just, hold on. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna just, you know, do the ends with the Demon Brush. That way they're a little bit more clumped together. I love me some clumped together curls. If y'all don't know this, now you do. It just, once it dries, the ends look much better. So I can already tell this is gonna come out a very fluffy wash and go, which is fine. I'm actually excited to see the results and see like if I want to, you know, really go in and fully stretch it or just stretch it a little bit. But either way, I'm going to finish this and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm all done and I love it. I was about to say like and love at the same time. I love it, I do. I've heard so many mixed reviews about this hairline, and I know that, you know, Mo knows hair. She said it was like a science to it, and it's not just a whole bunch of stuff thrown together. And you know, she does hair for a living, but I'm actually really pleased. My hair is so soft, and my roots are easy to feel and get through. Like, I can actually feel every separation of my hair, my roots, without gel. And so that's why I'm happy, because normally when I do any type of cream with the wash and go, you know, my roots are all just still tangled up and kinked up a little bit, and it's not like that. My hair's a little uneven in the front. I have like my struggle pieces over here, but as you can see over here, we are flourishing, and this side of my hair listens so well, but I love it. I also will post a link to a video up here. It's either up here. I think it's up here. To how I stretch my hair out. So I'll link that above, and that way you guys can watch that if you want to see that process. Also, here is the back. It's so bouncy and fluffy. I love it. And I didn't even pick it out. All I did was stretch it. Anywho, if you like this type of, oh, you know what? Take that back. Not if you like this type of content. I was about to end this video. So I am worried about it lasting. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to sleep and I'm gonna wake up and undo my hair and I'm gonna show you the guys. I'm gonna show you guys the results for day 2 hair, just to kind of see how it holds up and if it gets frizzy or if it gets bigger. I may do day 2 or day 3, so stay tuned.